ਕੇਂਦਰੀ ਰੇਲ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਪੀਯੂਸ਼ ਗੋਇਲ ਨੇ ਆਰਥਿਕ ਪੈਕੇਜ ਉੱਪਰ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਵਿੱਤ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਨਿਰਮਲਾ ਸੀਤਾਰਮਨ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਬੀਤੇ ਦਿਨ ਸੁਝਾਅ ਘੋਸ਼ਿਤ ਕੀਤੇ ਹਨ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਅਰਥ ਵਿਵਸਥਾ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਡੀ ਹੱਲਾਸ਼ੇਰੀ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਅਰਥ ਵਿਵਸਥਾ ਨੂੰ ਪਟੜੀ ਤੇ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਦਦ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਲਾਕਡਾਊਨ ਦੇ ਚੱਲਦਿਆਂ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਸੂਬਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸੇ ਪ੍ਰਵਾਸੀ ਮਜ਼ਦੂਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਾਪਸ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਲਈ ਕਈ ਸੂਬੇ ਸ਼੍ਰਮਿਕ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ, ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਖ ਹੈ।
Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji today to further give a boost to the Indian economy, to strengthen the hands of the poor, the middle class, the farmers, migrant laborers, small businesses and street vendors across the country, and to boost the demand for goods and services in the country. The Honorable Finance Minister, in the second tranche of announcements today, has announced free food grains in addition to the announcements made earlier for the next 2 months for the migrant labor. I think all these additional measures that have been announced today as a part of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's 20 lakh crore rupee package will give a big boost to the economy, help us bring back the economy on track, and help different segments of society to make a fresh beginning, to once again get back their work into the fast track lane, and will help the Indian demand and Indian economy move back to the growth track that we have witnessed over the last 6 years of the Modi government. I am pained that despite the fact that Indian Railways has provided 1,200 trains exclusively earmarked to run the Shramik special trains for our migrant laborers, to take them to their hometown, to take them to their home state, so that they can go back to their near and dear ones, to their families. It pains me that several states are not giving permission for these Shramik special trains. States like West Bengal, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand are not giving enough permission so that we can run Shramik specials to their states. West Bengal first gave permission for only 2 trains. Then when the Honorable Home Minister wrote to the state Chief Minister to allow trains to enter West Bengal, an announcement was made that 8 more trains will be allowed. But until today afternoon, only 5 out of those 8 trains were allowed by the West Bengal government. Yesterday also I had made an appeal to the West Bengal government to expeditiously give permission to states to send the migrant workers of West Bengal back home. Today, I am informed that in the evening, we received an informal communication that about 105 trains will be accepted by West Bengal in the next 30 days, which means hardly 1.5 to 2 lakh migrant laborers can go back home to their state, West Bengal, from now until 15 June, in the next 30 days. There are over 30 to 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs people from West Bengal who want to go back home. What will happen to the rest of them? They will have to either walk back all the way to West Bengal, or take a cycle or a bus or hitch onto a truck, or walk on the tracks. Look at the colossal risk that lakhs and lakhs of laborers from West Bengal will have to suffer, because the West Bengal government is not giving permission to these trains to enter West Bengal. I once again appeal to West Bengal. Instead of giving 105 trains in 30 days, please give permission for 105 trains every day. And we will send all the migrant labor of West Bengal who wants to go back home. We are not forcing anybody.